SouthernTech, your community technology center, offers training and education in one of the most high-demand and ever-growing fields, healthcare and healthcare support staff. SouthernTech is unique in its hands-on approach, strong industry partnerships, and state-of-the-art technology modules for learning. We have recently added a virtual reality simulator that is used in our anatomy and physiology classes. This allows our students to view the different systems of the human body in an immersive 3D experience, giving them the ability to interact with the human circulatory, cardiovascular, skeletal, muscular, and nervous systems. Since most healthcare careers require students to take these beginning courses, we are excited that all of our healthcare students will have access to this new technology. SouthernTech's most popular short-term programs in healthcare include basic life support CPR and first aid, home health deeming, nurse aid, medication administration technician, nurse refresher, phlebotomy, and emergency medical technician. Our strong industry partnerships are reflected in the EMT program. Students taking advantage of the EMT training learn in the classroom and on the job. They work directly with local emergency management services partners, which gives them invaluable experience earning certifications and gaining subsequent employment. Experience state-of-the-art technology and gain a competitive edge when you explore your healthcare career with SouthernTech.